Last candidate to come in. First candidate to show up. People of Tondo, Manila, wearing a festival costume cannot be defined in how big, huge, glamorous, or shiny your festival costume is. But I certainly believe that wearing a festival costume can be presented, and how are you going to present it with gratiat, elegantiat, or what we call as grace and elegance. I am proudly wearing right now the festival costume that commemorates the arrival of the Panay people straight to the Panay Island, the city of Iloilo, the Dinagyang Festival. My name is Junel Siege Garcia. 28 anyos mula pa po sa bayan ng Marilao, lalawigan ng Bulacan. I am a proud to be magna cum laude graduate from Far Eastern University and now a licensed software engineer by profession. Or isa po sa mga lisensyadong inhinyero ng Republika ng Pilipinas. But since tonight, this is a beauty pageant, Board of Judges, allow me to introduce myself further. Opo, isa nga po ako sa mga baklang nakalusot sa pabilisan ng pindutan, sumagot sa mga katanungan na puno ng kalokohan, at nagpakita po ng angking talino at galing sa showtime. Yes, I am your Miss Q&A Intergalactic 2019 semi-finalist. But since tonight I need to undergo with one specific personality, allow me to borrow the sexy and vixen of this generation. Pasintabi po kagawad, I am your one and only Cassiopeia from the fantasy called Encantadia, your one and only Miss Solen Yusuf. Pasintabi po kagawad, ngunit kayo po ang orihinal na kawanis. But tonight, allow me to say that naniniwala po ako ang ating mga hurado ay sadyang mga intelihente at mga edukado. Ang numero kandidata bilang una ay hindi ibig sabihin na kawawa ka. Bagkus, naniniwala rin po ako na hindi po basihan ang panlabas sa kaluan at hubog ng katawan upang ikaw ay hirangin ng reyna. Sapagkat pag ang puso, utak at bibig na po ang nagsama-sama, tsak, maiibang batayan ang tinatawag niyong ganda. And I thank you.
Palakpakan naman natin candidate number 1, Solen Yusuf.
Hi, love. Hello, love. Nagkaon ka na ba, love? Serving you Trans Excellency from a pure-blooded Tamarao. This is Nicole Ayala Gahongwei, hailing all the way from Gagalangin, Tondo, Manila. The girl is standing in front of you is a proud third-year college student who is currently taking up Bachelor of Arts in Communication, major in Convergent Media at Far Eastern University. The costume that I'm wearing tonight is dedicated to our brave native fishermen in the West Philippine Sea and designed by one of the finest and the youngest designer there in the Philippines, Mr. Art Don. Since tonight, this is a pageant, please do allow me to carry the image of your one and only Latina slayer, your Reina Hispano-Americana 2017, Teresita Winwin Marquez. And judges, I may not be the most famous candidate tonight, but don't you worry. I didn't come here to blend in, but I came here to blaze trails. That would be all. Thank you so much.
A glorious evening, ladies and gentlemen in between. Standing here before you is a fresh 25 years of age. All the way from the horse capital of the Philippines, Santa Ana, Metro Manila. A graduate of BS Elementary Education, major in Special Education at the Far Eastern University. Yes, indeed, I am a teacher by profession. But now, I am a beauty queen. Nasa inyo pong harapan ang babae na mayroong pinakamagandang mukha sa GMA 7. Ang babaeng nagpatibok sa puso ni Mayor SB, Sam Bersosa. Sabay-sabay po nating palakpakan Miss Rian Ramos Bersosa. Palakpakan ulit. Ang bigat. Ang init pa. Okay lang po na tawagin niyo po kami bakla. Basta baklang mukhang babae. Pasintabi na lang po sa mga babaeng mukhang bakla. Thank you.
Let's go! Babae! Come on! Candidate number 4.
Ang babae sa inyong harapan ay wala po sa inyong likuran. Bakit hindi niyo po subukang magsigawan bago ko po umpisahan? Maraming salamat po. Carry yourself as a queen and you will receive a king. Beauty comes from within. Whatever your mind can conceive, believe, and you will achieve. Magandang gabi sa inyong lahat. Ako po, si Rian Avon, 26 na taong gulang. Nagmula pa po sa probinsya ng Zambales. Ngunit ngayong gabi, hayaan niyo po akong gayahin ang kaanyuan ng babaeng minsang tagapangalaga ng brilyante ng tubig sa Encantadia. At ngayon inyong inaabangan sa Pinoy Big Brother House as your host. Bakit hindi niyo po kang subukang hiyawan at palakpakan si Binibining Gabby Garcia. Gabby Garcia po na naniniwala sa kasabihang lahat po ng kandidata ngayong gabi ay magaganda. Magkakaalaman lang po sa amoy ng hininga. Good evening.
Hininga.
Saan ka punta? Road trip. Thank you so much. Tonight is a beautiful celebration of diversity, femininity, and inclusivity. And for us, the LGBT community, this event will forever be that we will always be part of what you call society. Naimbag, naipintas, kinaragsak na rabi kinatayo amin, or should I say, what a glamorous and a spectacular evening to each and every one, to our distinguished and honorable panel of the Board of Judges, ma'am, sir, and to all of our audience tonight, magandang gabi po. Standing in front of you is a 22-year-old stunner. I am hailing all the way from the municipality of Amingan, province of Pangasinan. I am currently taking my bachelor's degree in tourism management in one of the most prestigious universities in our province, the Finmayupang College of Urdaneta. And for this evening, allow me to introduce myself. I am ML Venus Tukay. At ngayong gabi, hayaan niyo pong buhayin ko ang katauhan ng babaeng nagpainit ng social media. Babaeng nagsabing, I'll touch myself na lang. Yes, I am your one and only, Binibining Maris Racal, na patuloy pong naniniwala sa mga kasabiang hindi bastos at hindi nakakatawa, na sa buhay natin bilang tao ay hindi pamantayan ng antas o estado ng pamumuhay o pinag-aralan meron ka. Lagi nating tatandaan lahat ng bagay na nakikita ng ating mga mata, pagdating ng araw ay mawawala. Ngunit ang pagmamahal at kaligayahan na handa mo ibahagi sa iyong kapwa ay isang napakagandang regalong kailanman ay hindi mawawala. Once again, I am your candidate number 5. And for this evening, I am very much proud and dignified to wear an authentic costume that pays tribute to the biggest religion in our country, the Roman Catholic Church, and inspired with the grandest festival in our country. Viva Bet Señor! Viva Santo Niño, ang Sinulog Festival ng Cebu City. Mga mamamayan ng Tondo, ngayong gabi, ako po ang nag-iisang Ilocanang beauty queen na tatayo sa inyong harapan, but allow me to compete until the end, and I will give you a lasting show you'll definitely remember. Marami pong salamat.
Dahil maganda po ako, kaunta. Sexy po ako, kaunta. Palakpakan naman po kayo, kaunta. Dagdagan niyo pa, kaunta. At hiyawan, kaunta. Salamat po, kaunta. The national costume that I'm wearing tonight is inspired by Niyug-Yugan Festival of Quezon Province that symbolizes vibrant spirit and agricultural growth. Ladies and gentlemen, panel board of judges, this costume may be small in your eyes, but let me remind everyone that this costume has been worn in Binibining, Pilipinas 2024 awarded as Best in National Costume. Ako po, si Summer Jane Corpus. I am the youngest of them all. Only 18 years old stunner, all the way last from the Manila's northeast edge, Santa Mesa, Manila. But for tonight, allow me to carry the image of your one and only, the controversial, the girl who captured the heart of Mr. Jake Cuenca, ang nag-iisang kawangis ni Miss Chi Filomeno. Kahit i-check nyo pa. Chi Filomeno na nagsasabing, nasa Diyos ang awa, nasa tao ang gawa. And since we are celebrating beauty, diversity, and of course, femininity, kaya dapat ang national costume, babae lang. Thank you.
Baban nam kiwalam, baban nam kiwalam, baban nam